I'm Eileen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the GlossyBox for September 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. GlossyBox is a monthly subscription box that costs $21 a month. They promise 5 beauty products worth at least $60. They do offer discounts if you pay up front for 3, 6, or 12 months, or if you commit to a 12-month subscription billed monthly. This month's box is the Glossy Spa Box, so let's open it up. So when you open the box, it's nicely wrapped, a little bow here, and then a little pamphlet. It says, "It's September, spa time." And then inside are all the products that you'll be receiving, or that you should be receiving. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then we've got the tissue sealed here with a little sticker, as well as I said, the bow. So let's open it up and see what we got this month in the spa box. Okay, the first thing is from Codex Beauty, and this is the BIA, or BIA, B-I-A, exfoliating wash. And Codex is a brand that's sold at Saks Fifth Avenue or Selfridges, so it's a pretty high-end brand. They say that this is a gentle everyday cleanser that lightly exfoliates and tones the skin. And it is milk, thistle, and elderflower. They say jojoba grains provide exfoliation without irritating the skin. Castor oil helps clear pores and impurities and evens the appearance of the skin tone. And it never leaves your skin feeling tight or dry, and is clinically proven to improve the appearance of skin flakiness. The scent is uplifting grapefruit and elderflower, so if you're someone who doesn't like scent in your products, or someone who happens to be allergic to grapefruit, because I do know of a few people who have that issue, that's something to be aware of. This is for all skin types. It is available at retail as a full size, which is 125 milliliters and retails for $45, or a mini, which is 30 milliliters. This is 36 milliliters, or 1.2 ounces, and based on the price of a mini, the value of this would be $18. Okay, next is this cute little guy here, and this is from Vanilla Company. This is the Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream. And Vanilla Company is a K-beauty brand. Their products are sold at Ulta, but I didn't see this particular product on Ulta's website. There are 4 products in this Miss Flower, Mr. Honey line. There's in addition to this cream, a lip balm, a rejuvenating serum, and a moisture essence stick. They say that this extremely nourishing cream provides deep moisture and has rejuvenating properties using all of the benefits of honey without the sticky texture. And this intense nourishing system includes 6 types of premium honey blended to replenish, protect, and lock in moisture for a healthy, supple complexion. It can be used day or night. This luxurious cream glides on smoothly to give skin a vitality and will support and strengthen the skin's barrier. See, I looked at this and I would have thought this was maybe a lip product, but apparently it is a facial cream. Ooh, it really does smell like honey. And I happen to really like that scent, so ooh, I'm going to enjoy this. A full size of this would be 70 milliliters and retail for $42. This is a deluxe sample, which is 10 milliliters, and so the retail value would be about $6. Ooh, I'm going to enjoy that. Okay, next from Daily Concepts, the Daily Beauty Headband. Daily Concepts is a brand that's sold at Ulta. This item was not actually on the Ulta website. They say it's perfect to sweep the hair off your face when cleansing or applying a face mask, or even to control your hair as you apply makeup. I use one very similar to this. I don't think it's by this brand, but very similar. Whenever I'm washing my face or doing a mask or anything like that. Say there is an elastic band that makes for a comfortable fit and also absorb excess moisture such as water and sweat, and it comes in 3 colors: white, turquoise, or pink, and obviously I got the pink. And the retail value on this is $12. Okay, next from Vitamasks, this is the Ruby Sheet Mask. And they say this 4-in-1 sheet mask is designed to recharge the mind and restore dull skin. Dispirited days happen to the best of us, but they can improve with the right practices. Find serenity through skincare with the Ruby Sheet Mask, which includes aromatherapy, color therapy, gemstone therapy, and skin therapy ingredients to achieve multi-sensory results. There's geranium essential oil, which is the aromatherapy element used in the mask, renowned for reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Goji berries are also included in the formulation to aid with skin hydration and encourage a radiant, healthy glow. And they say this is perfect for providing a helping hand on days when life feels overwhelming, for a noticeably calmer and happier mindset. Research into aromatherapy, color therapy, gemstone therapy, and skin therapy practices has revealed they can help with reducing symptoms of anxiety, depression, low mood, PTSD, seasonal affective disorder, and stress. And this retails for $7. As some of you know, I'm not a big fan of sheet masks, but this one has me honestly a little intrigued, so I may actually try this one. Now, according to the pamphlet, there were 2 other items that should have been in this box that were not. I did get 2 different items, but apparently they must have run out of some items. They did mark that this month's box was sold out a couple of weeks ago, and I subscribed to Glossy for the first time this month, so maybe I got in on the tail end and they were out of some items. But the items that should have been in the box, according to the folder, were a Magic Jade Roller by Melusine Paris, and that has a retail value of $21. And from Rosen Skincare, a Breakout Spot Treatment with a retail value of $12. So those were not in my box, and the items that were in my box are not in the pamphlet, so I had to look them up myself. Let's see the items that I did receive instead of the ones that are in the pamphlet, and whether I received the same value from my replacement items. So the first one I received is from Swell, and it is Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. See if I can get that to focus. Swell was founded to provide a real, natural, long-term solution for fine, limp, and thinning hair. Whether you have fine hair, baby hair, hair loss, or you're just looking for more volume, you will find Swell can dramatically help you. They say that this new styling sensation banishes frizz, gives mid-lengths and ends a sleek, hydrated picture of health appearance. It is silicone-free, a weightless formula, and a dream come true for fine hair. Adding gloss, concealing split ends, protecting hair from heat tools, to allow styling for a perfect professional finish. There is no silicones, no buildup, 97% minimum natural sources, and is suitable for vegans and is gluten-free. There are 2 sizes available at retail. There is a 50 milliliter, or this one, which is the 30 milliliter, is also sold at retail. This is a UK brand. It retails for £13.50, which works out to be about $17.46 according to the current exchange rates. Okay, and the last item I received in my box is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. These are makeup removing cloths. Let's see if we can get that to focus. They say each single makeup removing cloth will remove every inch of makeup using only a splash of water. The specially formulated polyester is dual-sided for both makeup removal and exfoliation, so you'll always be fresh-faced and squeaky clean. For those who are familiar, it sounds like it's basically a makeup eraser. They are sold at Ulta as a trio for $9.99, but the cloths sold at retail are 25 centimeters square. These, which are really cute, these are 18 centimeters squared, and there are only 2 in the box. So I had to do the math. You know that I like to do the math anyway, but I did the math. So the retail value of the box of 2 that I received would be about $3.46 for the box because the size difference and the fact that there are only 2 instead of 3. Okay, so let's review everything we got in the box, see whether they lived up to their promises and whether we think it was worth it this month. From Codex Beauty, the Baya Exfoliating Wash. This is a deluxe sample. From Vanilla Company, the Miss Flower Mr. Honey Cream. This is also a deluxe sample. It smells oh so good. From Vitamasks, the Ruby Sheet Mask that I'm intrigued with, despite the fact that I'm not a fan of sheet masks. From Daily Concepts, the Daily Beauty Headband. And then my replacement products for items that were not in my box, from Swell, the Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum for Hair. And from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, makeup removing cloths in a sample size. The subscription promises at least a $60 value for $21 subscription price. The total retail value of the items in the original box that was in this insert, $76. Total retail value of this modified box that I received, $63.92. So, did I get my $60 value? Yes. Did I get the same value as everybody else who got this box this month? No. So I'm not mad about it, but I'm not thrilled about it either. But this was the first one. I did subscribe during the month, so I'm willing to give them the benefit of the doubt. They did at least make it up with products to get me over the promise, $60. Wish they hadn't included this, and I wouldn't have known that I got a box that was worth less than what everybody else got, but it is what it is. We'll see what next month brings, and I always like to give a new subscription a few months before I make a decision whether or not I like it, because anybody can have a good month or a bad month. It could be products that I really enjoy in a box, or it could just be great products that I just won't use. So I'm going to give this one another couple of months and see what happens, but for this month I'm calling it just okay. So leave any comments down in the comment section. Don't forget to check out my 1 month on YouTube giveaway video. I'll put it up in the cards here. Very big giveaway going on now through the 21st. So if you haven't checked it out, I suggest you do. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.